Let's meet Jack. Jack is a house designer and he loves his work. He offers his clients concept renderings, construction drawings and quantities. However, Jack has some problems. In order to deliver these services, Jack is using many software solutions for each individual task. This translates to learning how to use different interfaces, costs for buying and maintaining his licenses, data exchange problems between software. While he was looking for an integrated BIM design solution, he found us. A video self-paced course platform that allows him to learn Allplan most efficiently. Allplan is a leading BIM solution that offers all-in-one solution for architects, engineers and designers. The video course takes you from initial survey to concept, BIM model, quantities and execution drawings. The video course can be accessed online without time limitation from any device. This way Jack can pick the best time for him to learn and review specific lessons. Get in touch with us today to find out what we offered to Jack.